So just a day before its scheduled release, there is going to be a big setback, especially when it comes to the makers of the movie Kerala Story Part 2. Now the Kerala High Court has stalled the release of the film and has made it clear that the movie cannot be released for the next 15 days at least. The censor board will now have to consider the objections that have been raised by the petitioner. And in a stinging observation, the court says that prima facie, there was an absence of application of mind by the censor board. Now, while granting certification, the court has said that while it usually hesitates when it comes to interfering with the release of films, it had to step in because the alleged content of the film could have the genuine potential of inciting communal disharmony. Here's what the High Court said. Let's get you a better understanding of the observations that have been made.
This Gujarat Files, this Kerala Story, 1, 2, everything. While all these fiction is being sold as facts, the facts is being hidden. The BJP wants to talk about Kashmir files, Gujarat files, that file, this file. Why are they not talking about Epstein files? When are they going to talk about Epstein files? Pradhan Mantri to Parliament chhod ke bhag gaye na. They don't want to talk about Indo-US trade deal file. They don't want to tell the story of the Epstein file.
This is expression of hate. We all know that. That is what they are trying for, political agenda. Completely a propaganda movie. We all know that what Kerala is. So why they need to portray Kerala like so? Despite of they also knowing that it's not a real story and claiming it to be on real incidents. So it is completely a propaganda movie, and we thank for the intervention by Honorable Court.
मुझे लगता है बहुत ही स्वागत योग्य फैसला है जिस प्रकार से आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक मीडिया और फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के बड़े धड़े से प्रोपेगेंडा मूवीज बनवा रही है और जिस प्रकार से देश को भ्रमित करने का, देश में नफरत फैलाने का अपने टूल किट के आधार पर काम कर रही है, इसके ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं जो केरला हाईकोर्ट ने रोक लगाई है, बहुत ही स्वागत योग्य फैसला है। मुझे लगता है और जगह भी न्यायपालिका को स्वतः संज्ञान लेके ऐसे विषयों पर कार्रवाई करने की आवश्यकता है।
This film Kerala Story is a clear narration of the situation prevailing in Kerala. It is a Kerala story itself. I have seen the first part. So why the government and Congress, the CPM and Congress, they want to appease the communal forces in Kerala. That is why they are resisting, opposing the Kerala Story film.
Well, let's connect with Arpita, who's joining us live right now. Arpita, good morning. The makers have consistently maintained that the story was inspired by true incidents. However, the High Court has now put an interim stay as far as this petition is concerned, where the petitioner had sought the cancellation of the film's US certificate as well in his plea.
Well, yes, Amita, yesterday the single bench judge stayed the order saying that it cannot be released. They wanted CBFC to clarify that why was there a UA certification given, why was it not given A certification, and also CBFC, because the movie makers had said that the teaser which the petitioners were claiming that it is misleading and it is putting Kerala in a bad light. Filmmakers had said that teaser is not part of the movie, to which the court had asked CBFC, then on what basis have they given the certification and did they not know about this? To which CBFC said that they cannot look into the matter when teaser is released or it's released on social media or anything. It is not up to CBFC to look into that matter. So a single bench judge had stated saying that CBFC should file a counter this within 15 days is what they had said, but later the producers moved to double bench judge, and then yesterday there was an urgent hearing at 7:30 p.m. It went on for almost 2 hours, and later the judge said that today they will pass the order. So till then, the single bench judge's order remains in place. That is, the movie cannot be released as of now.
The court criticized the Central Board of Film Certification, stating that it appeared to have cleared the film without adequately applying its mind, where the bench observed that the board must take the petitioner's concerns into proper consideration. So at least for 15 days, we're not looking at the release of the second part of the Kerala story goes beyond, that is Kerala Story Part 2. Arpita continues to be with us. We have another